going on there, YouTube family and friends? Johnny here. Channel's Johnny Five Alive. Hopefully, you guys doing fine out there. Sorry about that. I'm actually pretty nervous today. This is the highest, most expensive mystery box I have ever purchased. I trust the person that's making them, which is Choo Choo Comics, but I am really nervous. I mean, look at that. I don't know what to expect. I saw Chad RCG open one. Oh my gosh, he got some good stuff. You guys check out what he got. So it's heavy. Ugh. I don't know what's in it, but let's find out. This is $1,000. Okay. I sold the book, had the money in my hand. Choo Choo hit me up. He goes, "Hey, I got a box left. You want it?" I was like, man. I asked my wife, I go, "What do you think?" I always ask the wife. She's all, "Try it. You never know." Choo Choo said, there's prices from the box could be $1,000 or up to $1,600. So I was like, what the heck? That's cool. That's funny. Alright. I don't want to drop anything. That is cool. Look at this. It's like a birthday present. That's pretty cool. Anyways, guys. So I am really nervous. I don't know what to expect, but let's do this, guys. Let's get into it. I'm scared. I'm nervous. I don't know what to do. Stevie, let's get into it, guys. I don't even know what this. Look at that. He secured it pretty good, I'll tell you that much. Awesome packing. That was funny. What's your birthday gift? Yeah, so I saw some online and oh my gosh. Go to Choo Choo's Instagram. I'll leave a link down below. You can see what the other guys got. What I'm hoping, which he said there's one in here. Which is ASM 300. He said nobody's opened one yet, so hopefully, since I got the last box, I got the last. There's a Choo Choo Comics pins. There's 2 of them, and there we go. Choo Choo Comics would like to thank you for purchasing a Dookie's 5th birthday 1K mystery box. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Dookies or Duckies? Duckies, right? Yeah, Duckies. Sorry. All right, Choo Choo. Yay. I'm not putting my mouth on it. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh, this is so nerve-wracking, man. I don't know what to expect. 2 slabs. I can't even breathe, man. I'm gonna hyperventilate, man. This is crazy. So I think these are the raws. That's cool. Gemini. Don't wanna cut up. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to be careful with this as much as possible. Yeah, like I said, guys, this is the most expensive mystery box that I have ever tried to attempt to get. So, sorry, guys. Here's what's up. This is what I'm trying to open. I sharpened my blade. There's some stickers. comic stickers. That's pretty cool. Sorry guys for the kids playing in the background. Choo Choo Comics, Spider-Man, Ant-Man, and then Batman and Superman. Look at that. He's like, look at this cute guy here. Alright, and then Deadpool. Sorry. Alright guys, so there's the stickers. I know you guys don't want to see the stickers. I know what you guys are waiting for. So, man, I am nervous to even open this. All right. Choo Choo, put some pull tabs, bro. All right, this one is signed by Leon Hill. I don't see a signature, but there it is. Signed by Leon Hill. Okay. That's cool. All right. And then here we go. And we got to the things. And I'm nervous as hell. I don't even know where to open this. Always cut away from the body, guys. Okay? Don't cut towards the body. Cut away. Man, that's some cake, man. Of course, I'm opening it up. I should have pre-opened this, huh? But then again, you wouldn't see my nervousness. All right, pull tabs. Okay. There we go. It says start here. All right. Okay, start here. You had to cut. Oh my gosh. Awesome! I'm a huge Ghost Rider fan. This is Marvel Comics Group, the most supernatural superhero of all. Ghost Rider. Last sold $14. First Inferno. Nice. Now that's a keeper. Fantastic Four number 103, guys. Last sold $24 on October 24th, 2021. That's awesome. He puts the last sold. Man, that Ghost Rider, awesome. Next one, I'm guessing a Peach Momoko variant limited to 600. Art by Zoo Black Cake Comics. Fair market value, $25. Comes with a COA. That is pretty sick. I like that. Ooh, next is Squatchy. Department of Truth Virgin variant limited to 333 copies. Art by Santa Fung. Last sold, or fair market value, $50. This is number 45 of 33. The Department of Truth. That's sick. Nice. Nice House, The Nice House on the Lake. Last sold, $40. That is pretty nice. I like that. I don't have that one. I think that's the only one I'm missing. Nice. I liked it. Oh man, I'm trying to remember the movie that's on. The Stray Dogs. Last sold, $45. If you guys remember the movie, wow, why am I drawing a blank? Lost Boys? Is that the Lost Boys? I think so. Let me know if I'm right. Man, that's a thick book, man. All right. Next one is Department of Truth with the UFOs. Oh, and it's got a remark too. Nice. Department of Truth. Signed and remarked by Braze Art. Fair market value $50 to $60. That is beautiful. And these books are clean as hell. Okay, and then the final book. Okay, nice. It's a Captain Marvel, Marvel superheroes featuring Captain Marvel, The Coming of Captain Marvel. This is number 12. It's a 25 center. It's been loved and it is pretty nice. It's got some spine ticks. Oh, let me show you the book first. Fair market value, $100. So there's that one. That's pretty cool. I like that. Okay. Oh my gosh. I am nervous as hell, guys. Ooh, I don't know what to do. I don't know which one should I do? Slab 1, slab 2. Cool. He's got them labeled. Okay, so obviously I didn't get the ASM 300. That's pretty much what I was looking for. So I did not get that. Okay, this is slabby number 1. Okay, that's gonna go on my wall over there. Okay, first one is Department of Truth number 3 from Image Comics. This is FMB $400 to $450. A Brewer variant. That's pretty cool. I like that. So there's that. So next one. This one is. Okay. Alright, guys. Next one is. Alright. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. I didn't know it was slabbed. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I thought I recognized the back. I was like, no way. Oh my god. My eyes are teary. And the reason why they're teary, my gosh. I had a ASM 300. It was a newsstand, and it was signed by Todd McFarlane. And I sold it for my wife's surgery. I had to raise some money, and I was like, never gonna get that back. You know what I mean? But it was for a good cause. You know what I mean? My wife is more important than anything in this world. She's my rock. And I never thought I would see another ASM 300. I've been trying to get them on eBay, and they're just like outrageous. Nice. So here we go, guys. Oh my gosh. Should we tally up? See how much it is? Fair market value, $800. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Yeah, so I sold my other 300 and I'm happy to get one back. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. And it's slabbed already. The other one, mine was not slabbed. Oh my gosh, that is totally awesome. Oh my gosh, choo choo. Oh, it's like that last box was made for me. You know what I mean? I mean, it was just meant to be. And my wife told me, she goes, take a chance. Thank you, baby. Got the book back. Whew. All right. And this is a signed one. That was pretty awesome. So there we go, guys. Oh my gosh. That's pretty cool. I like that. It's like a file. I still can't believe I got it. Oh my god. Okay. Hey, I don't even want to tell you. Yeah, I'll tell you up just for you guys. All right. So that's 800 plus 400. Oh my god. So that's $1,200 right there. And if fair market 1250, let me guess. 1350. 1400. 1445. 1485. My gosh. 1530. 1575. $1,600. He said some of these boxes are $1,600. This one is sick. And it's the cheapest one. But I love it, man. That is sick. Anything Ghost Rider with his motorcycle on the front. Oh my gosh. So this box exceeded the $1,000. So I took a chance. Sometimes you gotta take chances, guys. Took a chance. Oh, wow. I still can't believe I got that. Took a chance and my lord. That is awesome. Thank you, Choo Choo. Thank you for the last remaining box. Appreciate it. It's like a present, man. It was wrapped like a present. It was made for me. Oh my boy. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, baby. Love you. You guys have a good one. Peace out, guys. Have a good weekend. Have a good week. Everything. Have a good year. Well, it's not that much left in the year, but you guys have a good one. Peace out. I need to make some room. Or just get some more. You guys have a good one. Peace.